there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features the Holly Jolly Wishes stamp set. It's on page 29 of the mini catalogue. That's the Stampin' Up mini catalogue that runs through to the end of December 2021. It's a sentiment only stamp set. Here it is here. And I wanted to show you a fun way to use a sentiment as a background piece rather than using a piece of designer series paper. I've also brought in a piece of the designer series paper from the Sweet Stockings stamp set. The Sweet Stockings designer series paper. That's it there. I just cut out one of the little stockings with the die, and I've used a piece of our gold foil at the background, in the background there. And I'm only using Pool Party as the base and a piece of crumb cake. So let me show you how I made the card. So I'll bring in the supplies. I've got a piece of Pool Party, scored and cut in half, a piece of design crumb cake cardstock, which is just sort of got half a centimetre off each side. If you're working in centimetres, it's 14.2 by 9.9, just to give that nice little Pool Party edging around the outside there. And I'll just give that a bit of a score with my bone folder, flatten it down. Here we go. And then the gold foil, which I've cut out using a scalloped circle die. I've already gone ahead and cut out one of the stockings from that designer series paper, and then another piece of Pool Party, and I stamped the Fa La 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 La. I love that sentiment in cherry cobbler and on a piece of scrap of Pool Party. We're also going to do a little bow there with the baker's twine and some cute little stars. So let's do the background stamping first with the Holly Jolly Wishes stamp set. Here it is. I had put it all the way around the back. So and again, it doesn't matter. For this one here, you're just doing random stamping, okay? You're not sort of getting too worried about. You just want a random selection, because you are going to be covering up a little piece with the foil, and I think another little bit there. I like the tone on tone of the crumb cake, I really do. So we're going to be putting that works fine. There you go. That was just the simple stamping with simple little bit of background stamping there for that one. Let's do a little bit of cutting with this one. Just bring in my scissors. I'm just going to snip the edge of that one and that one just to give it another look. That's basically it. That's the card. It seems so easy, doesn't it? Because in fact it really is. I'm just going to put some adhesive on the back of this stocking. I put a link to all the products I've used in the description bar below, so if you click on any of them, you'll be taken to my Stampin' Up store. Okay. Straight onto the foil. Now, I tend not to use Tombow when I'm working near foil, because me and Tombow and foil don't go that well together. Some dimensionals on the back here. Gosh, everything is sticking to my fingers this morning. Put that in. Just position across the middle there, wherever you like. Let's might do the bow last, I think. Put this on, pop some more dimensionals on the back of the foil. I should be using my large dimensionals. These are the small mini ones. but they're in the cupboard and I forgot to get them out beforehand, so these ones were nice and close. Okay. Oops. So I've gone more towards the top right of the card. You can place it in the middle if it's more of a preference for you. Our twine, our linen thread, I should say, which, why is it? I put it down and then it goes missing. It was, here it is. Oh no, that's not it. Where is it? Where is my twine? I put it away so carefully and now I can't even find it. Here it is. So we're just going to make a little bow. Pretty simple stuff. Go. I normally put the ribbon on last, the bow last, before I adhere this, but anyway, today I decided to change things up. Adhere this to the card base with some Tombow. Time for a new bottle of Tombow, I think. That one's really finished. We'll just pop a little bit of tape on there. And then straight onto the card base. I usually use Tombow when I'm doing my card fronts there, just so I can get everything lined up perfectly straight. And there you have it. It is a very, very easy little card to make using a sentiment stamp, one of those nice big bold sentiment stamps as your background. Oh, I nearly forgot to put the little stars on. Let me get those out now. So these are the cute bat stars, which are also in the holiday catalogue. We have lots of embellishments, fabulous embellishments in the mini catalogue. If you want to see all the embellishments, if you go to the back of the catalogue, you'll see loads of them there as well. That's where they're all listed, as well as obviously in the body of the catalogue, along with the put one down there, why not, along with all the products. So there we have it. Quick, easy, simple to make card using a sentiment stamp as your background. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day. Bye.